Hello everybody and welcome back to another video with Micah. So today we'll be doing more carbon fiber pack openings. So if you guys haven't, like I said, hit that subscribe button, turn post notifications on. You'll get notified whenever I post a new video. And so let's jump right in to opening some carbon fiber. So my original idea was to get, I have a carbon fiber right here. That's one. My next carbon fiber is right here. And my last idea was I was going to get the tune-up. And literally, guys, I'm devastated because I put my all into this vid just to get this tune-up done. I put my all, literally. Look. I was at, let's say, 150 out of 100, like 20 slots left. I have 88, and I had 20 super rares. I had 30 ultra rares. So I got rid of a lot of stuff. But with that being said, this is the car I mainly upgraded. I'm literally one fuse away from having a fully upgraded ultra rare. I've never done that in my history of playing with this for almost 2 years now. I think coming up on that time. So, in a good way, I mean, it is kind of good, but, I mean, if you look at it the long run, no, it's not, because I have 21 ultra rares, and I have only 6 super rares, and then along the way, I actually picked up this prize car, so that brings me up to prize cars 3, right here. But I sacrificed a lot doing this video, so I'm hoping we get some good luck. But unfortunately, like I said, I will not be able to complete this tune-up series. I just can't. I've tried and stuff, and it just I'm this close. I'm 4 challenges away from getting the carbon fiber for that, but I can't. So let's see what's the first one. So it's a motorized in carbon fiber. So we'll go there, all cars, non-prize, and so let's see what we can get. So there are some decent ones I'd like to have. I've always wanted this one. I'll wish list that because I've always wanted that one. It's a medium ground clearance, off-road tires, and it's got good handling. So for that, definitely this one too. This Via Birth. This one is my all-time I used to have. I think I've had on that. And then this one too, the Alfa Romeo Giulia TCR. I've had that one before. I don't know why I got rid of it to begin with. But my number one thing I want, ultra rares wise, the Lotus Elise Cup 250. This is the one I want the most for ultra rares. Now we're gonna go epics. I want this solely on looks. I just like the look of that Aero Coupe. I don't really care about its stats per se. I just want it for its looks. Also we have this. I want this one too. This Lotus Elise Sprint 220. That's the other one I want. And then also this Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAM. I'd like that one. And then any legendary obviously would be amazing. So we're going to go ahead and start with opening the carbon fiber. Let's get one more standard tire in. We'll put you there, yep, and we all win. So let's go through here. And here we go. Immortalized in carbon fiber. Honda Legend 2.7 V6. Audi 200 Quattro C3, and a Mazda MX-5 BBR Turbo. Nothing special for the firstly. Let's see. Is there a slight chance we get early ultra? Renault Sport Clio 182 Trophy. And the final card, the Morgan Aeromax. That's a good. It's a high RQ car too. It's a 62. So I'll take that one. So we'll just add unlock. So yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that one and add. Alright, for the second pack, it will be this. So I did manage to get a carbon fiber on this. So, anything good? Anything epic or legendary? Even a new ultra I'll take, like a wish listed one, so I'll take any of them. So let's see what we get from this just random carbon fiber, just a regular one you get in the store, pack store. 𝓒𝓪𝓻𝓫𝓮𝓻 cup. We have this Chevy Corvette 396. Early Super, that's a third card. Infiniti G37. Ultra rare, please. No, Alfa Romeo GT. Alright. What did we get? Let's go! Woo! Woo! Let's go, baby! Epic! Thank you! Mercedes AMG GTS. Thank you. At least something paid off for once in this game. You guys have no idea how much I'm excited. Add. Oh, yeah, baby. Add and lock. So, right here is the new Epic we got. And the new Ultra Rare is right there. So, and then also we'll do a little bit of this. Let's see there. Let's see. Let's hope I win. We probably will lose this. Yeah, that's what I thought we would lose that. Alright, so what we're gonna do. Let's hope that wins right there. So win that. Yes, we're doing that. Let's go. Now we should win this next one, hopefully. And now, so let's go. Let me know down in the comments if you have any other video ideas I should do. There we go, won that. We should win this easily, because there's two components you have to reach, so we should easily win that. Alright, so we're getting higher our cube here. Let's see what we can do. I'll upgrade this all the way so we're good on the safe side. Alrighty. Should win here. Upgrade. See if I can get one more fuse. Probably gonna have to sell a car in order to do that, or sell you. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So in that case, does this win against us? Sure does. Let's go. Easy. Let's try this out. We do win, so we're good. Alright, there we go. I should win this. Let's go. Easy. Oh, let's see what we want to do. Could start upgrading this a little bit. Why not? So I might do a video if I can reach to this point. I might do it if I reach this point. I'll do a video on or getting this Morgan plus 8 50th anniversary. I'll do a video on that. And then let's see for events. Select this reward. Let's see, what can we do? I think for the most part, we could end this. We should maybe win this. I don't know. Oh, cool! We hit 0 to 60s. Good. Let's hope we win the last one. Do good. So, and I'm doing really good on this from Lock the Coast event. I'm in the top 20. I am not doing too bad. I have to say so myself. I am enjoying. All right, we're gonna win this easy. All right, so yeah. Yep. All right. We need 65 to tie. Yeah, that's what I thought. I doubt we get anything. Oh, man. This is an easy win. So you win there, you win there. Easy. Wins all around. I'll just get through it because I know it's gonna win. Alright. Let's see how I do. Oh, this is one's questionable. I believe we can win this. I surely believe we can. Let's hope this is not as bad as I think. 73, okay, that's it's kind of. 50, yes. Alright, here we go. This should get me a little bit of bonus. I thought it would. And we have to win the last one because my hand on. Yeah, we do. That's what I thought. Alright, and that puts me back in the top 20. Force there. I'll put you there. 118. Alright, cool. I like that. Should win this, yeah. Change of plans. There we go. Let's hope this works. Oh, hold on. We're gonna serve this one. So, what did I say I'd do? That's what it was. There. Up there. You there. No, we're gonna put you there, your top speed. I would have to honestly do that. This. Oh, there. Oh, that's an easy win. We got a DNF. Okay, cool. And then this should give me like 100 at least, or 231 to be exact. Let's see how many bonus points we get on this north loop. I'm sure it's like maybe 100, 150, 110. Oh, cool. So, that will be it for today's video. If you guys have not, hit that subscribe button, turn post notifications on to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.